everyone, and I would like to shout out to my cousin Ate Jen, Ate Jocelyn. Thank you so much for watching my video. And to my mama Susan, sa nag-iisang kapatid ng aking madre. Happy birthday, ma. Kahit hindi po tayo nagkikita ay mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday. I love you. See you when I see you, ma. Bye-bye. Ingat po kayo lagi. To all my viewers, thank you so much for watching my video and supporting me always. And of course, to all my family in Madrid, kay Mother Dear at kay Father Dear. Hello po, Kuya Jan, Ate Dina, hello. Mega love, shout out. At kay Kat, kay Ate Tina, at kay Ate Lori, Ate Risa, hello. Adios. Bye-bye. Portdesoller. Sa English, soller. Soller sa Spanish, di ba?
Soller. No lang alam mo yung casino sa Manila. Soller.
Ang ganda. Small town lang naman siya dito sa Mallorca. Kunti lang din ang tourist. Ito na yung pinaka-sentro nila.
Ay, ang ganda. I like it. Buti
Ayan
na lang
na nga.
itong pinili ko.
Dito na kami.
So
Kasama ko si
pretty.
Shane. Ayan si Shane, no? Hi, Shane! Ito na yung beach nila. Portdesoller. Playa Beach. Playa. Playa is beach, di ba?
Beach. Wait lang. Ang ganda.
Ayan, namamangha kaming dalawa. Pero si Shane ay medyo, siya, eksaherado masyado. Yan, o. Akala mo hindi nakakakita, isa daming magaganda sa Pinas. Pero, maganda naman talaga siya. Hindi namin naaabutan yung wooden train mamaya. Papakita ko.
Gusto mo bang sumakay sa wooden train? Check natin.
Oo, pero medyo mahal. Ay, magsasakay. At andito na din kami, ay sasakay na kami mamaya. Ang ganda niya. Sobrang tahimik. Ayan o, may Eden Hotel. Tingnan natin yung price. Ayun yung price niya. 33, may kamahalan. Ay, mahal. 49.70 euro. May kamahalan itong na to. Kami, hanapin namin yung Bikini Island. Pupunta kami dyan sa Bikini Island and Mountain Hotel. Paakyat siya ng paakyat. Paakyat na kami ng paakyat. Madami ng tao. Ganda niya, kahit maliit lang siyang town. Napaka-peaceful. It's 12 noon. Medyo marami ng turista.
Meron pa sa kabila.
Ayan o yung daanan ng tren. Wooden tren.
One of Mallorca's best loved attractions, the old wooden train that connects Palma and the town of Soller, was originally introduced to transport citrus fruit from the Soller Valley to the capital.
Wooden train sa Sollermallorca. Dami din nakasakay. Hi, Shane. 7 euros yung fare nila. So, ito yung pinaka loob niya. It's wooden train. Kunti lang kami nakasakay. So, makikita mo yung view ng bay. Tsura niya. Dalawahan yung upuan. Magkaharapan.
Portdesoller was originally a small fishing village servicing the main town of Soller, located a few miles inland to protect its residents from seafaring invaders. The port started to expand in the 19th century when the export of citrus fruits grown in the area became big business.
Lang yung pwede, bawal yung tarjeta. So, dalawa kami ay 14. One way lang yung 7 euro. Bababa na kami. Dito na kami. Wala ba tayong naiwan? Yan, ang daming sumakay pabalik doon sa Puerto. Doon sa may beach. Yan, ito yung pinaka-terminal nila. Ayun. So, andito ako sa reles ng tren, dito sa pinaka-terminal. At ito yung pinaka-town ng Soler.
Mañana yo te la llevo y te vas a acercar. Y se olvidó, no puede que se olvide porque la ayudamos aquí, tenemos una casa, curro, todo.
Andito din yung maintenance nilang yung shop nila. Ito yung pinakasauna nila, yung may bakal, para siyang nasa bus. Para siyang sa bus.
Portdesoller is one of the only places to offer a sandy beach along the entire northwest coast. There are actually 2 beaches within the Horseshoe Bay. East Travis is the longest and closest to the working port, but Playa de Enrepic is the nicest and quietest. Both beaches are fairly narrow, at around 10 meters in depth, and the sea is calm and shallow, thanks to the sheltered bay. The original sand was quite muddy, but it has been supplemented by gravelly sand from the surrounding area to make it more appealing to its users. To make the most of the beach, hire sand loungers and parasols, or to experience some more exclusive views of the port, rent a canoe or pedalo from the beach and take to the water.
Portdesoller. Marami nang lumalamoy. Mas marami ngayon kaysa kaninang umaga.
Portdesoller's promenade is lined with plenty of family-friendly restaurants serving up Mallorcan cuisine, fresh fish, pizza, pasta, and more. One of the best rated in the area is Sabarca, a typical Mallorcan restaurant sitting in the center of the promenade. Another popular restaurant for locals and tourists alike is Restaurante Espasig, which sits on the promenade behind Repic Beach and serves modern and creative Mediterranean dishes. Agapanto is almost an institution in Portdesoller. Lying at the end of Repic Beach, it serves refined local cuisine, and the twinkling lights of the town, viewed from its terrace in the evening, make it one of the most romantic settings for dinner. Villas and fincas can be a good option for large groups of families seeking a more private experience. Rustic blonde stone finca-style buildings are a recurring theme in this area, and they are largely popular. But there are also modern villa offerings available if this is something your heart desires.
Famous gambas here. Gambas de Soyer. Ito yung paella nila. Seafood paella. Ayan yung kabilang dagat. Feeling ko para siyang lake. At saka itong side na to. Yan. So, yung maraming tao na yon, yung part na yon ay yung mababang dagat. Hello guys, dito na po ako magtatapos at maraming salamat